Hi guys! So I thought today that I would take a trip to Christmas tree shop just to see if they have anything new in their wedding department. I don't know if you guys know that they have a little department just dedicated to brides, so we can all check out their little wedding section that they have. And they also have their, they should have their spring department all set up because I got the flyer, so I think that would also be a really cute place to check out. So come on, let's go. We'll go together. So I just got here to Christmas tree shop and we are going to see what they have in the wedding department that was updated for 2021. So let's go. So just as I thought, they do have their spring collection. This is the Petal and Stone collection, and I come here so often to try and find really great deals. This little platter is so cute. Look at that, it's only $5.99. Love this. This would be so good for any number of things on a table at a wedding. Now this gives me an idea. Look at this. These are branches, magnolia branches, and they're tall, not expensive at all, $7.99. Look at all the different colors. Now imagine something like this on like a table setting. Obviously not the big tree, but like in a tall vase sprouting out. These glasses I thought were kind of cute too. For $5.99, not too bad. One looks like holding beer for the groom, wine for the bride. These are pretty cool too for an outdoor kind of a celebration, which we may or may not do. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups here for, look at that, $2.99. Well, you know they're not going to break outside, and they're cute. Best day ever. This I absolutely love. I'm going to come back for this one, I think, because this one's cracked. But look at, you put pictures of the bride and groom then, and then the bride and groom now. This little I do would look cute on any tabletop. $4.99, can't beat it. These are adorable too, but I think this is more like for home decor. I don't know that I would use this to decorate any kind of, you know, table setting for our ceremony or cake cutting or anything like that. These, hi, I don't know about you, but I'm always cold. $2.99, and it says bride. Those are adorable. I kind of like this too, though I have so many makeup cases, but it's a really cute idea. $1.99, not bad at all. All right, now this, bride, and it's $1. Are you serious right now? Look at this one, groom, and yeah, and it's the same price, $1. So I think these might just come with me. Love this, although we may or may not have to decorate our own car. We just don't know how many people are going to be with us, but I love this both for a table with the cake on it and also for decor in my home afterwards. So that's all there is here. Bye, Christmas tree. The lighting is super weird in here with my visor down, but I'm gonna check and see maybe next week or the week after and see if they have anything new. Hopefully by then I'll have some kind of a concrete plan as to what I'm going to you know, start kind of going after. Until then, I don't know. We'll check again and see what we can come up with. Okay, so as I mentioned, it was kind of a bust. I didn't see anything that I really liked, but I did get 2 very cute things because we're not sure if we're gonna do Justice of the Peace or officiant, you know, wherever it is that we decide to do it. I thought these were adorable. Now, I'm sure you saw me grab them when I was shopping, but I wanted to kind of give you a close-up of what they are. It's this here. See how it says groom at the bottom? How cute is that? And for that price point, yeah, that's what you take. And then here is the other one. It says bride on it. Again, $1. So those 2 things did come home with me, and hopefully on my next trip we'll have a little bit better luck. I'm going to try and hammer out the details of what I think that we're actually going to do. We may have to change the date if we do have to do City Hall. So before my next trip to the Christmas tree shop or Michael's or anywhere else that I'm going to check out, I'm going to have a more hammered out idea of what we really want to do on our day. I know that it's going to be super small, but I really want to make it kind of special. And I'm sure that there are a few of you out there that, you know, want to do kind of the same thing. You just want to have kind of an elopement or a micro, mini, tiny, where is it, wedding, but it means something to the two of you. So I don't know. We'll see what we find out. All right, stay tuned.